I work at Catawba Island Club. It is a private yacht club located on the coast of Lake Erie, and it's owned by the Stouffer family of Stouffer Frozen Goods. My title here is Customer Service and Operations Intern. My day-to-day looks a little different from what you might expect. I come in and work as a supervisor for the beginning part of the shift. I help set up the dining room. I help make sure that the servers are set up with whatever they need, and after that, we do an atmosphere check. It's more in the operations side of business. I am in Miami University's entrepreneurship program. I'm in the startup track, so I want to own my own business one day. And while this isn't technically marketing, it is very important to startup businesses, the whole customer service aspect of it. I knew I wanted to be a businesswoman from a very young age. I never thought that I would be working with so many young people. When you think of the workforce, you think of Fortune 500 companies, upper level management, like people not necessarily in your age bracket. So being here, being with managers who are in their 30s and being with other coworkers who are all in their 20s, it's been a great atmosphere to learn from. I would say I've grown by networking. All the members here are fantastic people. They definitely have made it, I would say, to the top of their careers in whatever industry, and it's all basically at our fingertips as interns. Some of the most important skills that I've learned is being able to work with other people who have different managing styles. You can definitely learn it during classes. However, reading it on a PowerPoint is completely different than living it in real life and being able to experience that and navigate it.